The electronics industry is evolving at an unprecedented pace, driven by innovation, precision engineering, and increasing customer expectations. Manufacturers today face the challenge of managing complex production processes, rapidly changing product designs, global supply chains, strict quality standards, and shorter product life cycles, all while maintaining operational efficiency. To stay competitive, manufacturers need more than traditional business software. They need an intelligent ERP solution built specifically for modern manufacturing. Introducing PMTechERP. PMTechERP is a comprehensive manufacturing ERP solution designed to simplify and streamline every aspect of electronics manufacturing. From procurement and inventory management to production planning, quality control, warehouse management, finance, and customer order fulfillment, every business process is seamlessly connected within a single integrated platform. Whether you manufacture consumer electronics, industrial electronics, PCB assemblies, electronic components, communication devices, or smart electronic products, PMTechERP provides complete visibility across your entire manufacturing operation. With advanced bill of materials management, material requirements planning, production scheduling, serial and lot traceability, engineering change management, supplier collaboration, and real-time shop floor monitoring, manufacturers can reduce production delays, optimize inventory, improve product quality, and maximize resource utilization. Powerful dashboards and real-time analytics enable faster, data-driven decisions, helping organizations monitor production performance, control costs, improve delivery timelines, and respond quickly to changing market demands. Built with Industry 4.0 capabilities, PMTechERP also supports IoT integration, digital manufacturing, and scalable business growth. Whether you're a growing manufacturer or a large enterprise, PMTechERP adapts to your unique business requirements, helping you improve efficiency, maintain quality, and achieve complete operational excellence. PMTechERP, empowering the future of electronics manufacturing with intelligent ERP solutions.